Thank you for watching the solutions tutorial on saving the Agland-FamFarm Spreadsheet back to the Iseries. At this point, you have extracted your spreadsheet for change, made all the necessary changes, and now we're going to save. You will always answer yes to, do you want to keep using that format? Yes. You can go ahead and close your spreadsheet. You'll go back to your Vision menu, click on Save Agland-FamFarm Applications back to the Iseries. Your query data folder will open. You will choose the APL-AGL with the most recent date and time. Click on it, drag, and drop once the box turns green. A report of all your changes you've made will open. You can print this for your reference. You now know how to save your Agland-FamFarm back to the Iseries. Thank you for watching.